In the early days, communication happened through physical means. People sent letters or traveled vast distances to share news. The invention of the telegraph revolutionized communication. Electrical signals could travel instantly across wires, connecting distant cities. This paved the way for the telephone, which allowed voice transmission over long distances. These early technologies relied on analog signals, which are continuous waves that vary in amplitude and frequency. Analog signals were suitable for voice transmission, but they had limitations when it came to transmitting data. Analog lines, like telephone lines, were the backbone of early communication networks. These lines used copper wires to carry electrical signals that represented sound waves. When you spoke into a telephone, your voice was converted into electrical signals that traveled through these analog lines to the receiver on the other end, where they were converted back into audible sound. Analog lines were reliable for voice communication, but they posed a challenge when computers needed to talk to each other. Computers communicate using digital signals, which are discrete bursts of information represented as zeros and ones. To bridge this gap, a new device was needed: the modem. The modem, short for modulator-demodulator, emerged as the crucial link between computers and analog communication lines. Modems acted as translators, converting digital signals from computers into analog signals that could travel over telephone lines. On the receiving end, another modem would demodulate the analog signals back into digital data that computers could understand. Early modems were slow and cumbersome, often requiring dedicated phone lines and interrupting voice calls. However, they opened up a world of possibilities, allowing computers to connect to bulletin board systems, access online services, and communicate with each other. As technology advanced, modems evolved at a rapid pace. Dial-up modems, which used the existing telephone infrastructure, became increasingly faster, reaching speeds of up to 56 kbps. However, the limitations of analog lines were becoming apparent. The demand for faster speeds and greater bandwidth led to the development of digital communication technologies. Digital subscriber line, or DSL, and cable modems emerged, offering significantly faster speeds and always-on connectivity. These technologies bypassed the limitations of analog lines, ushering in the era of broadband internet. Modems continue to play a vital role in modern communication, connecting us to the internet at ever-increasing speeds, enabling seamless video conferencing, online gaming, and streaming services that have become an integral part of our daily lives.